Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna make a chocolate gluten-free banana bread. It's gonna be amazing. It's oil-free, like I said, gluten-free, and pretty simple to do also. So let's get started. So first thing you need for banana bread is bananas, of course. So what I do is I have frozen bananas that went, real gross. I always have bananas in the freezer pretty much because I buy a bunch of bananas, I eat whatever I eat, and then the ones that get all brown and mushy, I just put them in the freezer. They're perfect for baking. So I have 4 of them here. These ones are pretty small. You can use 3 of them if they're bigger, but these are pretty small, so I'm gonna use 4. I'm just gonna put them in the microwave to defrost them. Ow, stop. The cat is climbing me. And then mash them all up, which will be really easy after they're defrosted. Why? Why you climb? This is the fun part. It might be a little hot, so be careful, but bleh. You should end up with some banana slugs, pretty much. So all you gotta do is mash it up with the fork. So it should look something like this once it's all mashed. Next, you just have to add half a cup of sugar, 2 flax eggs, and mix those up. Add in half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a cup of cocoa powder, mix it up again. Might take a little while to get the cocoa powder to kind of mix in with the banana, but just be patient and keep going. This is 1 cup of oat flour. Just kidding, that's 3/4 of a cup of oat flour and 3/4 of a cup of rice flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Then mix it up real good. And of course you can't have chocolate banana bread without chocolate chip. And more, why not? Yeah. Now that the batter is in the baking pan, I'm going to put it in the oven at 375 for about 40 to 45 minutes. The baking time will depend on the type of pan you use. So I'm guessing for this one it's going to be 40 to 45 minutes because it's a bread pan. But I will put the exact time in the recipe that I put on my blog post, which I'll put the link for that in the description below. So here it is. Nice and chocolatey. If you've ever had those chocolate chip muffins from like Costco or something, this is what it tastes like. It's amazing. So I think this recipe was a success. Let me know if you try this recipe out. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe for more videos like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!